Now we are going to implement about the pattern. So now all of you understand. The first is we are just taking the number of rows from the user and then we will apply inside the loop. Okay, so the variables of integer type we need for this kind of variables, integer type. Okay, so here the first is rows, the number of rows, and second is we are taking for iteration. For iteration we are taking I. Yeah, one for space and one for stars. So we are taking the same name whatever we are using here. Okay, so now first is console dot write line, and we will just instruct to the user enter number of rows. Enter number of rows. And after that we just tweak here by console, definitely in the variable rows convert class method we require because it is a integer type data, dot toInt and console dot read line. Okay, after that we have a loop. I starts from 1, I less than equals to the rows I plus plus, inside this what we have first, another loop for space, starts from 1 and it is rows minus I. Yeah, and after that you just make it, this is for space. Yeah, so console dot write, not write line. Okay, because we need in the same row, we are talking about the row wise printing. Okay, here inside it we just make a space and we just put the spaces. In the same row loop we have one more loop for star printing. So for the next loop for star starts from 1 and star less than equals to, what was the calculation, 2 multiply I minus 1 plus 1. We will make it one more block from here and here. Okay, then star plus plus. Now we will print star here. So again console dot write, no space in between, and after that we put one next line. Yeah, we put one next line. After executing the whole process our cursor will back to the next line, so because of this we will use write line. Okay, This is the end of the for loop. This is the end of the main body, end of the class, and this is end of the namespace. Inside the main body, after completing this loop inside the main body, we will just write console dot greet key. So we can easily understand here, it is the user input for number of rows, means how many rows the user wants to print. Okay, so user input with the help of this particular statement, then this loop for rows loop for row. Okay, this loop printing space, and this loop stars. Okay, and this particular statement change next line. Okay, then it is close the loop, row loop. Okay, all of you understand? Now Razan, okay? It is asking for number of rows, like I am telling first is yes. Okay, so if you see here, I shifted my pyramid from the end location, like I am taking the 10 rows. See, You need only one star, yeah? Now we need one more loop for J. Now we need one more loop for J to specifically the one star to be omit. Now I omit the full row. Yeah, just one we need it. So we will do the exercise here. Yeah. Okay, then we are just closing the session today here.